Hello. I hope you are doing great. Outlook Exchange is a popular email client used by many individuals and organizations worldwide. However, one common issue that users often face is the inability to view images in their emails. Here, I can show you multiple emails that I have received in my Outlook. You can see, no images are getting displayed in any one of them. It simply shows blank boxes instead of images. This issue can be caused by various reasons, including the user's email settings, internet connection, or security settings. If you are facing this issue, don't worry. There are a few things you need to do to resolve it. Firstly, check your email settings to ensure that images are enabled. To do this, go to File, Options, Trust Center, Trust Center Settings, Automatic Download, and ensure that Don't Download Pictures Automatically in HTML Email Messages or RSS Items is not selected. Now you also need to make few changes in order to finally be able to see images in your Outlook. Follow these steps. Click on New Email. Or simply hit Ctrl+N key on your keyboard. Now go to File, Options. A new pop-up window will appear in front of you named as Outlook Options. On the left side of the window, you will find various options in a vertical grid. Click on Mail. And then under Compose Messages section, click on Editor Options. A new window named Editor Options will appear in front of you. Again you will see View option vertically on left side grid. Click on Advanced option. Scroll down a little bit and under Display Email Content section. You need to make sure that Show Picture Placeholders checkbox is not selected. Here you can see the checkbox is selected. So I am going to deselect this box. Click on OK and again click on OK. Close all the Outlook windows on your screen. And relaunch Outlook. Now, you can see, images are getting displayed in all your emails. I hope this tutorial is going to be useful for you guys. If it does, hit the like button, share the video. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button to get all future updates.